Hey everyone, this is Hasni studying at Ignite IS College, pursuing intermediate first year CEC. Today I am going to say about MP LADS, which means Member of Parliament Local Area Development. The objectives of MP is to suggest and get executed in the developmental works of capital nature based on the locally felt needs, with an emphasis of creating durable assets. MP LADS is a scheme formulated by the government on 23rd December 1993. This enables the Member of Parliament to recommend the developmental works of their constituencies with an emphasis of creating durable assets. Elected members of Rajya Sabha, representing the whole of the state as they do, may select the work in one or more districts anywhere in the country. Nominated members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha may also select the work for the implementation in one or more districts anywhere in the country. MPs are recommended to work of up to 25 lakhs outside the constituencies and state elections to promote national unity, harmony and fraternity. MPs are recommended to work of up to 25 lakhs in case of natural calamities in the state and 1 crore in case of calamities survived in nature, example tsunamis, cyclones and earthquakes. A state nodal department is responsible for the supervision and coordinating the line department. District authorities sanction work which are recommended by the MPs, sanction funds, identify the implementation agencies and user agencies, implement the work on the grounds, transfer the assets to the user agencies and report back to the minister about the status of MP LADS in the district. Each MPs are allocated with 5 crores in 2011 to 2012, which was increased from 5 lakhs in 1993 and 1994 and 2 crores in 1998 and 1999. MOSPI distributes the funds to the district authorities, not directly to the MPs. This annual entitlement is released within 2 installments, that is 5 crores. Funds are non-lapsable in nature, that is, in case of non-release of these funds in a particular year, it is carried forward to the next year. MPs recommended to work worth at least 15% and 7.5% of their funds to create assets in areas of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes respectively. Funds for MP LADS are conversed with Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Grant Scheme, which creates more durable assets, and national programs for developing sports, that is Khelo India. Thank you.